What's the meaning of chock-full? Chock-full. Chock-full.
Chock-full. Chock-full. The term chock-full is used to describe something that is completely full or packed to capacity. It suggests that there is no room for anything else. This expression can be used in a variety of contexts, whether it's referring to a physical space, such as a room or container, or a more abstract concept, like a busy schedule or overflowing inbox. When something is described as chock-full, it implies that it cannot accommodate anything more and may even be at risk of bursting or spilling over.